Hey guys, okay, just doing a review here of this PowerFist 2-inch gas high pressure water pump. Picked it up today, started unboxing it, and figured might as well make a video. So I'm just gonna unbox it right now, and then if you forward ahead into in the video, there'll be some footage of me actually using it, so you can get an idea of how it pumps, how it works, because that's what I was most interested in when I was going to purchase it. So yeah, let's start taking this thing out and see what it comes with. So it's Princess Auto 8408890. So that's the model there. I'll probably do a review on their website too, and hopefully I can do like a link or something. So for the price, it's $4.99 when I bought it. I'm in Ontario, Canada. Princess Auto's like Harbor Freight. So it comes with 50 feet of fire hose. So you can use this as a fire pump or just like a water transfer pump, which is probably what I'll use it for more. It'd be good if you're having like a big bonfire or something and you just don't want it getting out of control. So it comes with this suction hose here. The nice thing about it is it comes with all like the fittings, which they can really add up in price. Like they had one pump there, similar size and everything, Honda motor, keep in mind, and it was like $600, but then you have to spend at least another $200 in fittings to get sort of all set up. So I mean, even though this is a PowerFist motor, it's probably kind of crappy. It'll do the job. So I'm a huge Honda fan, but within reason. This thing's only going to get used, you know, a few times a year at most, and then if something does happen to the motor, well, then we'll just replace it with a Honda. So yeah, because of all these parts here, let's see what we got. So comes with an intake here, which the hose already has an intake on it. So this must be an extra just when they ship it, not as a kit, when it's just the pump. So it comes with that. Again, you've got some of your fittings that I think go with the pump if you buy just the pump. So it comes with that, which we probably won't use. Another barb there. So this we will use. This is to connect the fire hose. And then this brass fitting connects to the pump, and then the fire hose adapter connects to that. So we'll hook that up. That's your nozzle. Plastic, red plastic here, rubber, and then steel twist lock fitting, O-ring. Spark plug wrench. Some miscellaneous clamps here. So these clamps I think would be if you're using that. And same with the O-rings. Manual and the hose like I already described. So we'll start putting these connectors here on, and yeah, I guess the next thing will be putting it into the water and trying it out. Okay, so this fitting here I put on with thread sealant because there's no O-ring, but I guess it's worth noting that this one here, you use those black O-rings and you put it onto there, and then you don't need any thread sealant. It just makes a seal just like that. And then this one here as well has a O-ring in it. Also, no oil. Just gonna throw some oil in it. It's gonna use 10W30. Okay, so we already had it warmed up. We're just gonna get it going again. So this should be no choke, eh? Ready? Fan it. What's that thing? Yeah, so overall pretty impressed with this pump. This is just a kind of a grainy video here of us using it after we got the fire going. So yeah, overall pretty happy with it. I'm really surprised at how much pressure comes out of the end of the nozzle and how the sheer volume of water. So yeah, if you had to put out a fire or transfer liquids from a pond or something or between tanks, I think this would be more than adequate. And the motor itself actually isn't too bad. It runs the pump nicely. It's pretty easy to start. And I have a bunch of Power Fist motors, and you know they've always been great. So they're definitely not a Honda. They can be a little bit finicky, but at the end of the day, this thing did what it has to do, and I'm sure it'll do that for a long time to come. So really happy with this purchase, and thanks for watching.